Hello, this is Lisa from Pianovideolessons.com, and I'm here today with Jellynote.com to get you started playing piano. Today we're going to learn our finger numbers and the piano key name. When we look at music, we notice several things. There's lots and lots of information on the page here, but the first thing that we need to look for is the information that tells us which fingers to play. So if you look at this sheet here, you can see the number 1 is written above the notes here on the top group, the top staff. So these numbers here refer to right hand fingers, and any numbers that are accompanying the bottom group of notes will be played with the left hand. So you may have already discovered, just by listening to what I've said here, that when we play piano, our fingers are referred to as numbers. So if you look at your right hand, you have one thumb. Your thumb is finger number 1. Your next finger is number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So same thing on the left hand. You have only one thumb, and so your thumb is finger number 1. Then we have 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can see here I have an illustration that shows these fingerings on the right hand and on the left hand. So if you get stuck, you can just have a quick look back at this. So again, finger 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, we need to know where on the piano to put our fingers. So you can see here that this number 1 is written above a note, and each of these notes indicates a pitch or a key on the piano. So we need to know the names of the white keys. And conveniently, the black keys will help us to find the white keys because they're arranged in groups of 2 and 3 in a pattern that moves up the entire piano keyboard. 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys, and on and on. And if you notice the pattern starts and finishes here, for example, that leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 different white keys in the pattern before it begins again. And 7, and 7. So we're going to now use letters to refer to the piano notes, and we're going to use the first 7 letters of the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And they are found here. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And then we start again. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So to make this a little bit easier to remember, I'm going to tell you a little story. When we see the 2 black keys, we can imagine that they are a house, a dog house. And inside the dog house lives the dog. And dog starts with letter D. So this note is the note D. And the dog can help us remember that this D is the dog. Then if we look at the 3 black key group, we can see that there are 4 white keys here. And we can imagine that this is a house as well, a bigger house. And this house has a baby inside. This is a big house that people could live in. And the baby inside here is saying gaga because babies really can't talk. They just say nonsense words like gaga. So G and A spell the word gaga. So here's the note G, and here is the note A. So here we have which note? The dog in his house, D. Here we have which note? It's G from the word gaga, and here we have A, the letter A from the word gaga. And then we can just compare the letters within the alphabet to the ones we've just established. So after A comes B, and here it is. So B is part of this 4 white key group. And on the other side, before G in the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, we have the letter F. And so the key here is named F. So when you think about the 3 black key group, we have Gaga, baby, in the house, and we have F, G, A, B. So you can remember these notes because G is next to F and A is next to B. And here they live on the 3 black keys. The same thing applies here on the 2 black key group. The 2 black keys help us find the note D, but if we remember the alphabet order, A, B, C, D, then we know that the note to the left of D is the note C. And the note to the right of D is the note E. So here you have all 7 of the pitches, and these will repeat themselves over the entire piano. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. C, D, E,